किस
एक सूट ऊपर है।
So welcome back to the channel. So this is the second part of roller assembly. So in this video you will see we are making support for the roller assembly. So this is the machine operator is turning this support body of the roller assembly. So this is on the lathe machine he is turning. Just simple turning he is doing. From the inside also he is turning, internal turning. So now he move it on the milling machine, and as you can see he is just making a shape, so it will adjust on the top. It will adjust on the top of the roller assembly. So that's why making a half round shape in this support body. So this is the cutter just cutting and giving it a half round shape.
कौन है बोलने वाला है?
So as he done, now they are putting on the top of the roller assembly body. So he will check. So later on it will be weld. Now he will do the calculation on it, whether it comes correct or not. So he is just measuring it and doing the calculation whether it is on the exact place,
एक सूट ऊपर है।
so that it later on it will be welded. So it's correct. So now they move it on they are welding it, and this is how it will attach. See, this is the support of this roller assembly. It will be fixed. So with the help of this it will be fixed, and inside this hole there will be a shaft come. That we will also show you in another video. So very strong weld this welder is welding on this roller assembly body, and just connecting it with the support. So that's all for the video. Must like, share and comment.